been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone when you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone.
Hey guys, and good morning. Welcome back to the William fam. I'm currently actually busy, so I'm doing my try on haul. Finally, I'm getting around to getting it done. And today, let's see, what's the plans for today? It's about getting glammed up with me. You're gonna say good morning?
Good morning.
He likes to come and say good morning in the camera. So I'm actually doing my try on haul now, and today's the get glam day for my birthday. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me because I'm gonna start getting myself glammed for my birthday, because like I said, my birthday is the 26th, so you guys will definitely be seeing this vlog after my birthday.
My birthday is coming today.
When is your birthday?
Today.
No, today is not your birthday. When is your birthday?
Next month.
No. When is your birthday? What date?
31st to 2016.
So it's my so yeah, that's what I am here doing right now. So I'm about to start get ready, so I'm gonna set up the camera and just get into this haul and get it done. So alright guys, so I am heading out now, and I switch outfits again because I am heading out. So gonna go. You ready? Try to behave yourself. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's go. Karine, what she can get done? Giselle. Alright, so this is my posse.
Yeah. You need it for the inspiration.
See, I forgot to send it to my phone. Your mother wants your phone. Send it to me. It's the picture, send it to me.
Airdrop it.
Yeah. Hold on, airdrop it to me, and then you can get it. Hold on. Wait, hold on. Okay, go ahead.
This natural? Yeah.
Airdrop it.
Do they want them to do it short?
I never did plan for it long time.
Okay. Pull it off, I say, good job. Did it short your fault?
And they drop. Are you away from the Wi-Fi?
Yeah, you see that there right there, so?
We need to go. We need to go.
No, you don't need Wi-Fi to airdrop anything. Because I was at the park with my friend and I airdropped her picture.
Girl, here, let me screenshot that backside. It's taking too long. I'll take picture over picture. Wait, go that way. The sun. Come in that shade. Well, we are off. We are off. So we're gonna go and having a girl day, a little bit of a spa day. Our driver over here, he's not so happy. Somebody drink his juice.
Oh, Mario, poor Mario.
So, Mr. Williams, you know, put on your seatbelt.
No.
What do you mean, why? Put your seatbelt on. What? It don't mean because you're in Jamaica.
No. We are Canada too much and we have to wear it.
Hello, what do you mean too much have to wear every day? It's about your safety. If accidents happen, you will die. You're supposed to put it on. Let me show you guys. Ooh, look at the view. There's no cows over there. There are usually cows over there. Sorry for the beeping. Oh, there's some of them. Oh. Yeah, there's a few of them down there. Oh gosh. So yeah, I'll go and get running very late.
Earlier.
What do you mean if I am ever early? Excuse me, you see how much thing I did from morning? I did a try on haul this morning and that takes so much time, and if you guys weren't interrupting my video constantly, I would have had it done.
You get up early enough to do it.
Sorry, I wasn't up early enough. Excuse you, I got up early, I washed the bathroom, cleaned the whole bathroom. You see how big that bathroom is? I cleaned that, and on top of that I had to bathe on Troy, make sure he had his breakfast, get up, bathe myself, and get dressed, sweep out the house and everything. Don't make me and you have anything. You see how much stuff I've done from morning? Wally! Including me, well, I not get no tea for myself or eat no breakfast. So I got up and did a lot of stuff. Don't give me that look.
Grab somebody water did up on the music box now outside.
So, yeah, so we are on our way now. Oh yes, I'm gonna need water.
Yeah, me grab it for
And
myself.
I guess we'll link up when we reach. Wait, we finally reached. I got my feet soaking, and so I'm gonna do my manicure first. I'll do both of them at the same time while one's being done. So we have Miss Giselle over here, and then you have Miss Faith over there. So they are gonna go after me because I gotta get my things done, and then I gotta head into town. I need to go get some stuff. So, and I think I need to find a birthday fit. I don't know what I am doing for my birthday yet, but I need to find a birthday outfit. I wasn't able to get anything in time for my birthday. So, or order what I wanted. Or if I ordered, it wouldn't have came in time. So I didn't get to order that. So I'm just here soaking my feet, and I guess I'll show you guys my nails when it's done. I'm still debating on my design, not 100% yet. Gray hair, nice. Hey, when you're young enough to have none.
Gray hair, I always told him something. I don't know about gray hair if you're nice. I will.
Finally getting my nails done. My toes are all finished. Simple me. I just like my toes nice and white, not too savvy. And you guys will just see when I'm finished getting my nails done and what style I decide to go with. Something simple, not too fancy. So I just finished getting my nails done, and that's how they look. Didn't get nothing too fancy, just wanted something nice and simple, and you know your girl love white, so it's just the white and gold for me, and that is it. The girls them are getting their nails done now, but I'm about to leave them, so they're gonna get their nails done, and I'm going to leave because I gotta go into town, go look for something for my birthday to wear, and yeah, I don't know what Mr. William has planned for me yet, so that's what I'm gonna wait for.
Yeah.
And I'm going to go get their nails done, but I guess hungry I take them. So I ordered food. Order food. This one, yeah, drenched the ketchup.
You don't need it, man.
So I left the girls, and we're on our way into town now. Mr. Williams. Ah! Yeah, jump brakes by me. So yeah, so this is how my nails are. Didn't want them too long, but they look long. Oh gosh. So yeah, so it's just nice. Yeah, I like them. That's what I wanted to get done. And that is it. Because I haven't eaten anything from morning. But Mr. Williams.
Yeah.
The mashed up box food. I haven't eaten anything from morning, so this is actually my breakfast, lunch, and dinner in one. So I'm actually eating now. And likewise, I say if I eat late, it's how it goes sometime. So
But
I'm
you're not being. You're not being.
we're gonna eat, and then yeah, we're heading into town.
You're not being that backside. And as usual, she can't make up her mind and finally. So we're just here walking up and down. Well, we come down late, so we this is the second story building. So I don't know how much store I can go in there because you know woman buy already. Then we pass what they want and they make up their mind, and as soon as they go all over and don't find anything, then come back to the first one they reach. So I go with women and I will. So we're here looking. So let me try our shoes. But really weird, put it back. There it is.
I'll show me one you want, Chief. How this look? Must have been linked muffin, man.
Huh? Good?
The shoes.
When is that there? Where is it then? I'm going to catch up with this up. Huh? What's in there?
For the thing, front right.
It's like that.
Like here and something.
Bathroom out there somewhere. Baggage counter outside.
Put the whole of it. No. There's a mask on use. Once that happened, you're going on. Where you go? Where you go? Where you go? Huh? What?
This side? Straight over here.
You look like a movie girl. This is shirt for you.
Yeah, I'm looking for something for
Like formal wear or casual?
not really, but
She don't have a choice.
Yes, I don't have a choice.
She don't have a choice.
yeah.
24,000. much can I?
Wow.
I found out pay for this and look at 750. So what do you have this up so far? You sell you?
Who go buy that?
You see my white and mother buy.
See white one? Oh, I know when name day. I know that strap one. A different white this one.
Come on, son.
Yo, yeah, hold on here.
Put on one.
Yeah, hold on here. Strawberry. You hold on here.
Take it over. Come on. You have money for years.
Yeah, hold on here.
Give me it. Give me put it on my shirt. Put it in your handbag.
I ain't gone.
Where's your name? You know it?
You can't build the machine nowadays, man.
It's not bad. How?
No, I don't know what
You have a woman for tonight. Hello. Come on. Nah, you was.
You might fake using.
You know you was having.
Wow.
You give me to style
You
in
don't know
gel.
how face it there. So where is it?
can't use one.
Right here?
Wow, cash out, cash in. Cash in there.
Come there.
You better not say no money for cash.
What? You don't have to
Money in no pocket. Where you going?
No camera.
That's two me have one.
Yeah,
You don't see a two me have. You don't see a recession. Yeah, that's the one.
no, they are different one.
120 to 150, understand?
Yeah, idiot.
Pardon? If me wear the bottle? I didn't hear what you said. Can you stop playing with me?
Yeah. You might back get it out. Me have to look if me put in my box, you know. Come would have to come back. Oh, yeah.
What do you mean nobody don't want that? Now, you know, see, I don't never wear. Huh?
Yes, a 3 bag.
Oh, yeah, how much bag you wear?
That's it? Huh? You're walking up in one thing up here. I have a man them bike. Two of them are locked up. People them are come off the road. Quarantine time.
Green and 5.
Where? The park car, you know?
I'm not there again.
We're in a country?
We're in the country.
We're in.
We're in the country. We ain't got a barber shop.
I stand looking at the watchman. You a watchman? You a watchman?
Alright.
You can come from St. James Street and get a hot bread. Hot bread, hot bread. Eh? Man, nah, seriously, man. Good. Shana, who that? Who that?
Yeah,
She. Eh? And she went to the light. The man buy the light. The one got some money.
Can I get what?
That's cheese.
You need Milo?
Huh?
You need Milo?
I did Milo. I'm not drinking bush tea.
Oh, Lord.
Why you have this big camera?
I'm tired.
You're tired? Ready for morning?
Walk up and down.
Sit down in a chair and cock up a foot.
Your face, you sit down in a chair and cock up.
And get rubbed down.
Not by you.
With the mantic up here, St. James Street, in Panjana, the supermarket. I'm going to store, going by tea. So, an hour from now, all the streets have to be cleared by 10 o'clock. Curfew time. So, the two of them are packed up. You ready? Alright. People have come off my road. So, see? Just a while ago, past here, so this door was open. That's it. It's locked. Now why have you done that?
I select a youth, you know.
Huh?
I select a youth to work happy.
Work away? Oh.
You know here finish one.
Yeah, you pass. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, what was it? You want to lock up? See, all the store them lock up. Lock up and adjust. All the time. After 8? After 8 now, babe? Oh.
I said, don't take a break here, man.
Who's it now?
Boy, girl. Boy, no, no.
I'm on there, yo. Okay, man, cut. Yeah? Yeah, look for me. Look for me. You must have seen man look up there, man, car back. Then, yeah, look. Come on. Hustle up on the street, go through it. 1 year. You know what I mean?
I just finally reached home. I am exhausted. It's been a long day. I hope you guys enjoyed the videos. I'm going to go eat and shower and head to bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to tell a friend to come and join the William fam, where it's always 8 vibes over here. I will catch you guys all in the next one. Say good night, babes.
Good night, babes.
Really? Peace out, guys. Stay blessed.
We all not our fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us and me gonna be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How them meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day.